Hey boy, you know Gunman son, Code Red son, Chris Diamond, DJ La, ZJ Rush, Master Lee, and now Gunman, Step no man. Code Red them, intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, Code Red killer man. Ratty gang for me gang, pussy run up pick your body. Production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, this visual finds one in the best of health, and health of our wealth, and your health is your wealth. So maybe going to play take care of it. I don't know, vlog on the go. So I say, give thanks for the horizon, give thanks for another day. You know, it's a bank holiday, or the 2nd of May. Yes, man, so I don't know, we got the whole UK. You see what I say? Yeah, man, if you haven't subscribed yet, just consider doing so, you know. Yes, man. Why so we keep the thing real on the battlefield. See? Yeah, man. So, yes, my viewers and subscribers, in this episode here, you know what I mean? We have a glad news and a sad news. A good news and a sad news, you know? Singer Sanchez lost one of his sons, Zine. I don't know if we give a big congratulations, big shout out to big son named Code Red. I don't know, world champion son, Zine. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so I don't know. We are forward back after the break. I did stay silent. Why would I lie? It makes no sense. I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I even thought of taking my life, cause it seems like no one cares. Yes, man, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Viewers and subscribers, please, the song there, No One Cares, go and check it out. Zine, and share to a victim who have been abused, whether male or female. Zine, I don't know how me sing the song, but it has never happened to me, but I don't know. I got inspired by Tanya Stevens and General Leng, the China lady. That's how I wrote the song. You see what I say? Yeah, so I don't know. It's in support of all victims of abuse. You see what I say? No one cares. Zine, I don't know if you have been a victim, come out and speak and talk. You see what I say? Yes, man. Now my viewers and subscribers, we'll get rid of the, I don't know, the sad news. You see what I say? I want to pay RIP to, you know, Sanchez. You see me? The man just buried mother. You see what I say? Just buried mother in Canada. And the ear say his son was taken out. You see what I say? His son was taken out and John was there, I think on the same day. You know, yo, it's so sad. Zine, 3 persons were taken out, cut down short. You see what I say? Yes, man, I'm part of Augustown. I mean, I say, John, Augustown, really? I go and see him, you know. Jamaica, really, I go and see him, you know. We now single out Augustown because all of a place I go and them foolishness and them crime and them thing, the violence, you know. I say, when will it end? It now go end. You see me? Right now, remember EP go drop soon, you know. Pure positive song, you know. Peace song and crime for peace and stop the crime and them things. You see my viewers and subscribers? Yes, man, so you don't know. It's just sad for no, say, you know. You bury your mother and then your son come gone. What kind of tribulation is that? You see me? The man that squeeze the trigger never know say boy Sanchez son and you know. Well, I don't know if Sanchez son was involved in anything. But we just appear respect to Sanchez. See, and it's not hard, it's not nice. If you bear them burden and tribulation there, you see me? You see me? I say it's not nice for anyone at all, you know. It's not nice to losing someone. You see me? It's not nice to losing someone. Enough people can't afford a burial. You see me? I say? John Star, my viewers and subscribers. It's just sad, man. I just want to give a big shout out to you know, Sanchez. Brother, stay strong. Zine, God never give a man more than when he can bear. You see me? And for the youths them, I don't know Lion Foot are begging to stop the crime. Zine say stop the crime. To every garrison we are plead and a cry. Stop the crime. put on the 9, no more body nothing fine. You see me I say? Yes man. Next, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, I want to give a big shout out to the big champion sound. #1 sound, the world sound. I don't know the man and the girl sound. Code Red. You see me I say? Yes, Mr. Code Red. Them enter, you know, the world championship. You see me I say? I know when it comes to sound clash, nice. I love sound clash. I want to sound clash, I'm going to witness JNR kill sound. You see me I say? So big up JNR anyway, but yeah. You don't know, Code Red entered the world clash. And they came out with victory, you know. Came out with victory. But I'm say first you don't succeed, brush yourself off and try again. Keep trying. I know Code Red do them thing long time and them love clash. See? So big up all the people who voted for Code Red sound. I saw this. So I see this in a super hype group and then went on them page my Instagram because I know I follow Code Red sound. You see me I say, and you know, you know, say, you know what I mean? You have to highlight it, you know. You have to play a part and highlight it. You see me I say? Play my part and highlight it. Because I know I saw lion footwork. You see me? Yes man. For us to greatness, you have to highlight it. You see me I say? Yes man. So big up Code Red sound. You see me? Yeah man. So you don't know, we see all the killers salute them. You see me? Yes man. And I don't know the real Chris Diamond, big up yourself. You see me I say? Irish and Chain, big up yourself. You don't know. Lady V, big up yourself. You see me I say? So this is where the real Chris Diamond posted. Greatest feeling a day in my musical career. Dog. My little sound is the world champion. So you see my emoji there, you know, some little tears. That's what I say. Very emotional feeling. A great feeling. See? So not only that, we see the killer, the general. You don't know, me drop my comments as well. I congratulate them. So, but we see the killer. You know what I mean? Killer also I congratulate them. And the killer say, Muma Bambak not. These kids are genius. I didn't even got the chance to do my new dubs for them. Huge congratulations, y'all. Code Red left every road dead. You see? Code Red left every road red. Yeah. So Code Red left every road red. You see me? Uno made Masterly super effing proud. Zine? Yes, so we don't know Bounty Killer praise and I say, yo, Code Red left every road red. Zine, and uno make Masterly super effing proud. Zine? So you see the big up the general, I congratulate, you know what I mean, great talent. That's what I say, and you don't know Chris Diamond, you don't know, everybody deserves a chance of greatness. Zine, and it's a Chris Diamond time. That's what I say, it's a Code Red time. Hey Code Red! I want to do some nanny board head. Yeah man, Code Red, link up, I give a dub, you know. Yeah man, who feels it most? That's what I say. Whoa, you're not that sound boy dead. Code Red bust off the med. Whoa, yeah, another sound job dead. Code Red that kill them 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 round. No sound track we test Code Red and end up get them skull war 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7 and 8 by 8. Code Red turn up the fire straight and burn out the fool them who play it. Yes man, I don't know. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know, big up on myself, I don't know. That was a quick update, a quick review. We can know what I want. Condolence to Sanchez again, you know what I mean? And big up myself, Code Red. Big up the whole UK. Yeah man, I don't know, a lion foot with another vlog. I will do it on our boss now abroad. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. I must stop the crime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.